Running a business without a budget is like driving in the dark without headlights. You have no idea if you're on track to hit your profit goals or if you're accidentally overspending on expenses. QuickBooks Online has a powerful, built-in budgeting module that lets you map out your target revenue and expense thresholds for the upcoming fiscal year. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a budget from scratch using the modern 2026 layout, plus a quick shortcut to copy your historical data so you don't have to type everything manually. Let's get to it. To access your budgeting dashboard using the fastest shortcut available, glide your mouse all the way up to the top center of your screen and click directly inside the master search box. Simply type the word budgets into the field, and when the system navigation drop-down expands below, click right on the budgets menu option to jump straight to the workspace. If your account is brand new, your grid will be empty. Go ahead and click the green Create Budget button. You'll land on this Setup Configuration page. First, for budget type, ensure profit and loss is selected so you can track your income and expenses. Keep your period set to the current fiscal year, and leave your budget format toggled to consolidated. Now for a massive time-saving trick. Instead of starting with an empty spreadsheet and typing in every single number by hand, click into the Pre-filled Data drop-down. Here, you can select your actual numbers from the previous year, and QuickBooks will automatically pull them in as a baseline. Make sure Custom Budgets is selected right below it, and click the green Next button in the bottom right to open up your grid layout. Once the layout generates, you'll see your chart of accounts running down the left and the 12 months spread out across the columns. To change a number, just click into any individual cell and type your adjustment. With your budget officially locked into the system, the real power comes to life. Setting up this financial baseline keeps you in total control of your business scaling. If this budgeting tutorial helped organize your financial goals today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.